Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got something a little bit different. I've got a new brand that I'm going to check out. I bought these watches on AliExpress. I know exactly what's in the package and I can't wait to open it up and see them and show you guys what we've got today. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for all your interaction with the channel, liking, subscribing, leaving comments in the comment section below. Just your general interaction with the channel always does help out, and I really do appreciate that very much. If you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And I also have Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman. In case you're interested in men's fashion and you want to check out my shoe review videos, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get in and check out the watches that I did receive today from AliExpress. And keep in mind, I will be also posting links to these watches, affiliate links in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself if you do like them. So let's get into this package and see what we received from AliExpress today. Alright, so we've got two watches here, and I know exactly what company they are. I've been seeing these on AliExpress quite a bit, and they really look nice on the photos, so I really wanted to check them out. And I've got them here for you, and I'm not sure which one I want to open up first. I don't know which one is which here based on the package, but so I guess I'm just going to be surprised at what we got here. So let's open these up. We've got both of these watches are Tandorio brand watches, and let's see here. Let's open this one up too. We got two Tandorio watches. So let's check these guys out. First one I'm going to open up is going to be, let's see here, I got two different colors. Okay, so first one I'm going to open up here is going to be the red one. Alright, I really have been interested in these watches, but I can already tell I'm a little disappointed with this one, and I haven't even really opened it all the way up. See what we got here. I have a sticker on the back there. Alright, it does look as nice as it did online, and it feels very nice. The only problem I have with this is the size. I mean, this is very small for my wrist, so I don't think I'll be keeping this one. I really do wish it was bigger. I really wish it was a larger watch. Because this really does look sharp, and I really love that maroon burgundy color. This is a very nicely spec'd watch. So this is a shame that, I mean, this just isn't going to fit my wrist, but this is a very nicely spec'd watch. It is an automatic movement. It's got a large winding crown on this thing. It's an automatic movement. It's the Seiko NH35A movement. This thing also has it's the date format, and it also has the domed sapphire crystal. This is a very well spec'd watch. Nylon band. It's an automatic, all stainless steel, water resistant up to 200 meters. It's a very well crafted watch. I'm very satisfied with the company, just not satisfied with the size of the watch. I really hope the other one that I bought is a little larger, because I just can't wear this at this size. It almost on my wrist feels like it just feels too small. But other than that, it is a great looking watch. Really smooth edges, nicely constructed. It's stainless steel with a brushed titanium look on this thing. Really good quality watch. I mean, it's really nice. Like I said, it's just a shame it's too small for me. It winds nice and smooth. Changing the hands, very smooth, very just no stutter on them at all. It's very, very nice. Changing the date is really, really easy to get that second notch on the winding stem. Just a really nice watch. Everything moves very, very smoothly on it. I could not be happier with the quality and the design of this watch. The only gripe I have is the size. I will not be able to wear this watch for this size. So I will be returning this watch, but guys, if you're on the fence about this and you've got, to fit your wrist nicely, definitely pull the trigger on this one. It's really nice. It's Tandorio. Right now on AliExpress, you can get this watch for less than 50 bucks. And that's amazing to get an NH35A with a sapphire crystal for that price. It's right now on sale for $47, I believe. But like I said, that's a sale on AliExpress. So you want to jump on over and pick it up. I think the regular price on this is around $100. So it is on a half off deal right now. This watch also has 5 stars on about 200 reviews. So it is a very well-liked watch by those that have purchased it. And once again, like I said, if it was a little bit larger, I'd definitely wear this thing and I would love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful styled watch. But definitely head on over, check it out. I will post a link in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick that one up. But I do want to get into this other Tandorio watch. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by Tandorio. They didn't send me these watches. These are watches that I bought by myself with my own money, just to let you guys know what's out there. And like I said, they pop up on AliExpress all the time when I shop for watches. And I said, you know what? I'm going to buy a couple of these things and check them out and see if I like them. But here's the second one. I really hope it's bigger because I'd hate to send both of these back because they are great quality watches. But let's check it out here. Okay, so it does come with the instruction booklet. Just so you know, it has an instruction booklet so you know how to operate it. Okay, so this is a lot better. This is more my size. It's packaged very well in the cutout box. Okay, so yeah, I'm a lot more satisfied with the size of this one. This one's a lot bigger, so I can definitely wear this one. And it does have a silicone band on this watch. Also with the domed bubble sapphire crystal. It also does have the Seiko NH35A automatic movement. This watch is available in a few different colors. This other one also is available in a few different colors. I think it had blue, green, and I think maybe a couple of other different colors. But so yeah, so both of these watches are available in different colors. I just picked the red and the blue because that's what I wanted. And unfortunately, like I said, I will be sending this one back because it's too small. I mean, you can kind of see the size difference on these things. I just can't wear something that small. But they do have other colors, like I said, blue, green. I think they got black, gray, a couple of different colors. But anyway, let's check out this bezel move. Oh, wow, that's a nice tight bezel. There is zero play in that bezel. I mean, it's tight. Once again, with the stainless steel case on this thing, it's very, very beautiful. I believe this is this a ceramic bezel? Yes, this is actually a ceramic bezel, guys. You're getting a ton of spec for the price on this watch. This is a really, really nice watch for the price. A ceramic bezel, a Japanese NH35A movement. It's got a anti-reflective sapphire crystal. And guys, 300 meters of water resistance on this one. 300 meters. I mean, this is a great watch for the price. This has 4.9 stars on over 200 reviews. And right now you can pick this up. This is the Tandorio 62 MAS. You can pick this guy up on AliExpress for about 70 bucks right now. If you click on that affiliate link that I'm going to post below in the description, you can have this thing for about 70 bucks. Like I said, it is on sale, so I'm not sure how long that price is going to last. So definitely head on over and pick one of these up if you're looking for it. But I think it's a very, very beautiful watch with that domed sapphire crystal with the anti-reflective coating on it. The only thing that I would like to see on this watch, it's got the Kanagawa wave on the back, but I would love to have the open exhibition case, because that would just be wonderful to be able to see inside the watch. But I am just a huge fan of those exhibition cases. But anyway, 300 meters of water resistance on the Tandorio 62 MAS, ceramic bezel, NH35A movement, anti-reflective, sapphire crystal, domed. Just a beautiful looking watch. Really, really nice. I'm surprised by the quality on these things because, I mean, to get something for that price, all those specs, it's really, really nice. And I mean, everything moves smoothly on it. Pop it out into that second part on the winding stem. Date wheel changes really, really smooth. Date format, setting it is really, really smooth also. And once again, that sweeping, beautiful sweeping second hand from the NH35A movement. Really, really tight ceramic bezel. Let's check out the lume capability on this thing as I hold it up to the light here for just a couple of seconds. Really, really nice lume. Very, very beautiful. Let's check out the lume on the red one also. I'm just going to hold that up to the light for a second here. And yeah, it looks like, yeah, really, really nice lume on both of them. I think the lume on the blue one is probably a little bit brighter. Let's see here. Yeah, I think the lume on the blue one came out a little bit brighter, so much better lume capability on the blue one. But once again, both great watches, great quality watches. I think they're both beautiful. I just can't wear something this small, so I will be returning this one, but I will definitely be keeping this one and adding it to the collection. This is definitely a find. So once again, I'll post a link to both of these in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick these up and wear them for yourself. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you do like men's fashion and you want to check out my reviews on men's footwear, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man, where you can check out some shoe review videos, and you can actually become a subscriber of both channels, which would be wonderful. I would definitely appreciate the support over on DaveTheShoeMan.com as well. And if you did like this video and you're new to the channel, definitely thumbs up. It's very much appreciated. And once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you all in the next shoe review video on Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. So once again, have a good one. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. I hope you guys all have a great week.